Howdy doody, folks. Okay, Los and I installed this last night at basically 7 p.m. and we just threw it together because all the tenants here were complaining about there not being any hot water and everybody's freaking out on us. So we threw that together. We're back today to replace the recirc pump, and for whatever reason this is leaking at the threads, so we came back to support this. We're gonna put some straps around this. This is anchored into the wall, and then the B vent, we're gonna cut this higher so we have about 12 inches before it 90s. We also have to raise up these 90s because we couldn't get the lid on here for this. It doesn't really need to be on here, but you know, it's like a beauty cover. We did the gas. You got your drip tee here, flex line, and then also this is the shut off for the recirc pump, and that's leaking. So and we got to do the TMP, and that's it right there. It's coming out the side. So I'm going to start with the recirc pump right now. Okay, new recirc pump. This is a spring check valve. That's it for that. Then I'm gonna wait a little longer, shut off the building, and we'll chop it here, chop it there, and put on a new ball valve. Right there. I'm gonna strap this a little bit better now. That's on there. Okay. All right, so just a little unistrut brace. I mean, this is gonna be far more secure than these cheap little, this stupid little thing. I mean, really. So that's on there. We got two straps. One's to the drywall and the other one's to the unistrut. That ain't going anywhere. The reason I did it like this is because the little hold right bracket there's not enough room right here. And we were trying to avoid having to turn down the building water at the time and replace that, because I guess we could have unsweat that, but whatever. The copper's fine. We left it as is. So now I just have to pump this. Come on, I gotta check the water main pressure. It's likely 60, 65 because they have a PRV. And then we're gonna pump that, and then we will, I guess we'll do the TMP, and then lastly we'll take, or second to last, we'll do that, and then the vent. Okay, TMP is done. So now, I guess I gotta shut off the building water. Do you guys need it for anything?
Oh, let me fill up another jug of water.
All right. Do this real quick. There you go. Now I gotta figure out why there's no power. This thing's not powering on all of a sudden. I don't know why. I'll figure it out. Okay, we got the B vent going in. It's approximately 12 inches before it. It's almost a 90. It's almost like a 90-45. But we got about 12 inches or so. It doesn't really matter. I don't know why I'm measuring. It doesn't even matter because they don't want to redo the entire vent here. But it's 12 inches. Maybe here. Let me just freaking measure. Hang on. Let me just measure. We'll see what it actually is. 'Cause you really want to have 12 inches before you 90 or anything, because it can cause issues with ventilation. However, the water heater will still work. It just could potentially cause. Oh yeah, we're at 19. We're at 19, so. But honestly, if we left it like that, it really wouldn't have caused any issues. But this is more proper, and it's B vent. So, okay. We're having issues with the electricity here. So I got my electrician friend on the way, because the water heater's not turning on at all now. So, okay. I put this here because there's a bunch of electrical stuff here, and when I cut it, it squirted. All right. Wish us luck. Will it leak? Please don't leak, dude. I think we're fine. I think we're fine.
You have to take out the what's it, suspension tank?
No, I just undid it right here. That ain't gonna leak, bro. We're good. We good over here? Is this dripping or anything? Nope. All right, the electrician's here. He's gonna figure out. What did he say?
He's gonna put a new outlet there, and he said that's easy. He said the ground, the pipe, it does it, so he didn't have to put no ground. So we could
Right. When you say outlet, what do you mean?
Or some shit right here. Either you're gonna put an outlet or do a better connection right here, because it's kind of fucked up.
Right.
Tell him about that shit back there too. I don't know. That shit looks crazy.
Yeah. All right. I don't see any leaks. No leakies. All right. And now this thing fits on here. This is just the beauty cover, I suppose. But this now fits on top here. I mean, you really don't need this thing, especially when it's in a little enclosed thing like this. But all right. Well, I'm gonna wait for the electrician, then I guess I'll bleed the recirc line throughout the building, and that'll be it. Okay, this is why you bleed a recirc line right here. Boom. That's why you want to bleed this. That's why that ball valve is so important, because I'm bleeding all the air out of the recirc line only. the electrician who put this in. There was actually a kind of a big issue. They had to mess with those in the back, and there you go. There you go. But it's all good now. The recirc pump spinning. Probably good. All right, we're done.